You guys can see here the hose fitting pressing machine, these parts, or the hose cutting. You have to cut the hoses into half or even more as per your as per the length you required, okay? Or even the hose rubber skiving machines. Talking about the hose rubber skiving job, okay? When it comes to full steel wire, special reinforcement, high pressure hydraulic hose, the rubber skiving job is very necessary, okay? Because you have to skive the extra spare parts, rubber parts, so that the three parts of the hose fittings like this one, okay?